Right, removing the rear lights on a Range Rover. Might get a bit dark now, but this is how we do it. So, first things first, there's a little plug at the top. Don't know if you can see that where my finger is. So we're gonna get our tool and pop that sucker off. Pop it like it's a zit. That's right, that's what I said, like a zit. Now, what we do now, get your little trim tool under here, there's a clip. And then you're gonna pull it, because it's got to release from this section here. So maybe, there we go. And then we're gonna pop this up, twist this out, and there you have it. So what we do now is we are gonna pop this out, which literally just pulls off like so. Then you've got, get back to your T30, pop these two bolts out. There's one. There's two. Now get your hand in. Good yank. So get your hand in here. Good yank back. And then there you have it. You press down on this. Sometimes these can be really stiff as well. So see if it actually comes out. We don't want it to release from there like so. So hopefully this should. There you go. So press that down. Pop it in there. Job done, there's your light. Same with the other side.